5 ways to keep your social media accounts safe from hackers. Social media is such a critical part of business these days, making it extremely important that you keep your accounts safe. Imagine if someone gained access to your accounts. It would be devastating and it could potentially have a severe negative impact on your business. Avoid putting your social media accounts at risk by implementing these 5 simple tips.
1. Be selective with third-party applications.
When you use a third-party application, such as a social media post scheduler, they will require access to your account. Make sure you are only authorizing legitimate applications to gain access. And be sure to read the details of what exactly you are authorizing the particular application to gain access to. Some applications will only need minimum permissions, such as the ability to read and post content, so always read the fine print before granting access. It's a good idea to log into all of your social media accounts and see what applications you are currently allowing to access your profiles. This resource has links for popular social networks to help you determine what you are authorizing, revoke access to anything you don't trust, or any applications you currently aren't using.
2. Use strong passwords.
Remembering passwords considered to be strong can be a pain in the rear. Even Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, wasn't too fond of difficult passwords until he was hacked. His Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest accounts were compromised and his password was later revealed to be ... This just goes to show you that the majority of people don't take their password strength too seriously. Most people think, it will never happen to me. Well, it can happen, so make sure you use a password that's difficult to crack.
3. Install antivirus software.
Many internet service providers will provide some form of security protection. You can compare local ISPs to see if there are better options available in your immediate area, or you can install an antivirus program, such as Average, which does offer a free version. I would suggest going with the Pro version, but if you are on a tight budget, the free version is definitely better than no protection at all. If you want to be extra cautious, tools like Vivi allow you to download and back up all of your images and videos on Instagram. This is especially convenient for brands that spend extra time and money editing custom content.
4. Enable two-factor authentication.
Two-factor authentication confirms a user's identity by utilizing a combination of 2 different components, typically the account password and a confirmation code, which is sent to the user via text message or email. To be honest, anyone not taking advantage of this feature is asking for trouble. It's worth the extra hassle to ensure that your accounts stay safe.
5. Move passwords to a management program.
LastPass is this program that remembers all of your passwords, forcing you to only remember one master password. With so many difficult to remember passwords, oftentimes you have to end up resetting your password, giving you yet another impossible to remember password to add to the mix. You can also sync the service across all of your browsers and devices. With so many social media accounts to manage, it's oftentimes laziness that causes us to use weak, easy to remember passwords. But always remember that an easy password will make the things easier for a hacker, and you can say bye-bye to all your documents.